Hello. This is my first video, so I'm just gonna try a bit here. I have actually ordered a new camcorder. I'm waiting for it in the mail. Until then I will be filming with my phone. I'm not going to do a review on this knife. There's already so many good ones out there. I'm just going to say what I think about it. It's a good small knife. It's good to have in countries where are allowed to have locked blades. It's a pretty big blade for such a little knife. It's a victorinox soldier, if you don't know. It have 4 different tools: a knife, a can opener, a bottle opener, a flathead screwdriver, and a punch. I know this was produced earlier, but I think they quit doing them and then started again. I think this is a later production. I have 2 of them. I'm thinking about selling this one. Yeah, this is just a try video. So I hope we see you soon.